friends, welcome to Guess Me Quizzes. Quiz, horse related question and answer. First question, how many teeth does a horse have? Options. First option, 24 teeth. Second option, 36 teeth. Third option, 42 teeth. Fourth option, 32 teeth. Answer is 36 teeth. Second question. What is the name of the horse shelter? Options. First option, stable. Second option, coop. Third option, kennel. Fourth option, behave. Answer is stable. Third question. How many bones have a horse? Options. First option, 300 bones. Second option, 420 bones. Third option, 205 bones. Fourth option, 305 bones. Answer is 205 bones. Fourth question. How many babies can a horse have per pregnancy? Options. First option, 5-fold. Second option, 4-fold. Third option, 6-fold. Fourth option, 1-fold. Answer is 1-fold. Fifth question. What is a horse sound is called? Options. First option, screech. Second option, neigh. Third option, buzz. Fourth option, billet. Answer is neigh. Sixth question. How long can horses run without stopping? Options. First option, 4 to 5 miles. Second option, 5 to 6 miles. Third option, 2 to 3 miles. Fourth option, 6 to 7 miles. Answer is 2 to 3 miles. Seventh question. How many months is a horse pregnant? Options. First option, 13 to 15 months. Second option, 11 to 12 months. Third option, 16 to 17 months. Fourth option, 18 to 19 months. Answer is 11 to 12 months. Eighth question. How many horses are there in the world? Options. First option, more than 6 crores. Second option, more than 2 crores. Third option, more than 4 crores. Fourth option, more than 5 crores. Answer is more than 6 crores. Ninth question. What is the weight of an adult horse? Options. First option, 900 to 1000 kg. Second option, 850 to 900 kg. Third option, 700 to 800 kg. Fourth option, 500 to 600 kg. Answer is 500 to 600 kg. 10th question. How long does the horse sleep in 24 hours? Options. First option, 9 to 10 hours. Second option, 5 to 7 hours. Third option, 1 to 2 hours. Fourth option, 8 to 9 hours. Answer is 5 to 7 hours. 7th question. What is the maximum lifespan of a horse? Option. First option, 50 to 60 years. Second option, 80 to 90 years. Third option, 25 to 30 years. Fourth option, 40 to 45 years. Answer is 25 to 30 years. 12th question. What do you call horse feet? Option. option, hoof. Second option, padded. Third option, patitus. Fourth option, feet. Answer is hoof. 13th question. Which country is famous for horse riding? Option. First option, Iceland. Second option, Brazil. Third option, Spain. Fourth option, Portugal. Answer is Portugal. 14th question. What is the name of baby horse? Options. First option, Joy. Second option, Foal. Third option, Cub. Fourth option, Calf. Answer is Foal. 15th question. How fast can a horse run? Option. First option, 50 km per hour. Second option, 90 km per hour. Third option, 80 km per hour. Fourth option, 71 km per hour. Answer is 71 km per hour. 16th question. Which country has the largest horse population? Options. First option, United States. Second option, Mexico. Third option, India. Fourth option, Japan. Answer is United States. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe.